Good afternoon, beautiful people. Today we are doing from Windows Fundamentals 2. We have the task number 3, change user account settings. We're continuing with tools that are available through the system configuration panel. User account control was covered in great detail in Windows Fundamentals 1. The user account control settings can be changed or even turned off entirely, which is not recommended, obviously. You can move this slider to see how the settings will change the user account control settings and Microsoft stance on the settings. Let's check it for ourselves. We say from the start menu, let's check this user account control settings ourselves. From the start menu, you say user account, change user account control settings. And here we see we are on never notify. We can say notify me only when apps try to make changes to my computer. This is the default one. The highest one, always notify, is always notify me when apps try to install software or make changes to my computer. I make changes to Windows settings. And you can go all the way down, which never notify me, which is never recommended. Apps try to install software or make changes to my computer. I make changes to Windows settings. So you can do these and you will never be notified. And you have another one, which is notify me only when apps try to make changes to my computer. Do not dim my desktop. Don't notify me when I make changes to Windows settings. Not recommended. Choose this only if it takes a long time to dim the desktop on your computer. So the middle one is recommended if you use familiar apps and visit familiar websites. Perfect. The default one is shown also in our Hack the Box screenshot. Answer the questions below. What is the command to open user account control settings? The answer is the name of the .exe file, not the full path. For this, we go again to the start menu. We say system configuration. From here, we go to tools. Change UAC settings. Let's see. What is the command to open user account control settings? This is the command. User account control settings.exe. Paste it here. Boom. Perfect. If we say, for instance, let's test this. Run. We paste it here. We delete the .exe. As you can see, we are in the user account control. Let's close that. Let's go again. Run. We paste, actually, let's go back. User account control settings, spam. Let's go. Awesome, awesome.